like the idea of being able to have capability, really. Absolutely.
That might be a good idea.
No, because I got the extended tip, I'm going to hold it off the material about a 16th to an 1/8 of an inch.
Right. Now what power are we running on that?
I got it on 220. No, excuse me, it's on 110. It is on 110, but we got a 30 amp breaker. Takes like a shot at it.
We're making a library.
Yeah, you don't mind, do you? Absolutely not. My zipper open? Pretty sweet. We got a bad angle here.
We'll Photoshop that. Don't worry.
Can we make it bigger?
That was 3/8 on using a 30 amp breaker on 110.
Right.
Sweet, thank you.
You're welcome. Features a pulsar and a sequencer module in it.
Okay, good. Can we get a little demo on the Dynasty 200 over here?
Sure. Okay, to select your process, just push the polarity button, DC or AC. Your process, as far as TIG or stick, is just as simple as pushing the button and lighting the light to get you to your process. Remote standard will remote your current from 5, the minimum, to 200 amps. Remote trigger hold will allow you to go to 200 amps with one push of the foot pedal or button. Pulse control, pulses per second, peak time, background amperage. Sequencer is operated in the 2T trigger hold position. That allows you to set an initial current, initial time for upslope, a final slope downtime, and a final amperage. This is where you adjust your peak amperage. Here, the light is lit. And for AC welding, balance and frequency control. Balance is typically set anywhere from 65 to 75%, and frequency, about 120 hertz, you can weld just about anything at that range.
Good. You find
I'm all behind on this new technology.
yeah, you know what? I am in a lot of ways, but sometimes you got to learn something.
Yeah, I keep telling myself that. But that's too late to do.
Hit it again. Yeah, this time in water. You can't do that, can you?
Yeah, I can.
Underwater.
Put it underwater?
Yeah, I've seen this trick before. It's an impressive. Oh my gosh.
What, they said 50 or 60 psi. That's what Fabtech.
Doesn't take much longer underwater, does it?
No, as long as it's hot to start with.
I just duplicated.
If it's cold when we start, then it's hard to pull the energy out fast enough.
Fine, so you got them all powered.
Okay, you can fire when ready. Have you heard anything more about Mac? So my camera said about 12 seconds.
Yeah.
Going any faster?
Well, we can do it faster than one. Well, we braise points like that in about 4.5 seconds.
Wow. Are they really manufacturing?
Where we manufacture the whole thing, all the knives for welding, quite quickly packaged.
You guys had a question about limitations for what's the thickest we can weld 35 millimeters? 35 millimeters.
This right here, this system goes for around 150,000 with the bid and everything.